Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, today we are going to discuss pH and pOH scale. 1909 Sorensen proposed a scale for the measurement of the acid or base nature of the solution. With the help of that scale, you can measure the nature of a solution, whether the solution is acidic or basic. Basically, the scale ranges from 0 to 14. It's a simple straight scale, just like your normal scale, 0 to 14. Towards 0 side, the acidic nature is high, and as you move away from 0 towards 14, the acidic nature becomes weaker and weaker, and gradually the basic nature uh, starts to increase. The acidity or basicity of an aqueous solution depends upon the relative number of the hydrogen and the hydroxide ions. If the number of hydrogen ions are high, it means the pH of acid is will be low, and the acidic nature of the solution will be high. If the hydrogen ion concentration is high, which means the pH will be small number, and if the pH is a small number, it shows us the strong acid's nature. Similarly, if the hydrogen concentration is high concentration, it means that the pOH will be small number, and ultimately the basic nature of the solution will be high, or the solution will be more strong basic. So how can we define pH of the solution? pH of the solution can be defined as the negative logarithm of the molar hydrogen ion concentration is called as pH of the solution. Mathematically, pH is equal to negative log of the hydrogen ions concentration. Let's just calculate the pH of the water. We already know that hydrogen ion concentration in water is 1.0 into 10 power minus 7. We discussed this point in our previous lecture in detail. By putting this hydrogen ion concentration into the pH formula, so the formula will become pH is equal to negative log of 1.0 in 10 power minus 7, and when we take the negative log of 1.0 in 10 power minus 7, the answer will becomes as 7. Now what the 7 indicates us on the pH scale? We said that pH scale ranges from 0 to 14. Where does this 7 lies in the pH scale? So for that, I just want to show you the pH scale. This is a pH scale in your book. See, in this scale, in this figure, you can see the pH starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up to 14. As we are moving away from 0 towards 14, the acidity of the solution decreases. If you see, the starting portion is termed as strong acid, whereas the lateral portion is weak acid. As far as 7 is concerned, the 7 is called as neutral. If any solution is showing the pH or the pOH value of 7, that solution will be called as neutral solution. So moving away from 0, the strength of acids decreases. 7 is a neutral point, and after 7 the basic nature of the solution starts. Now we are going to discuss the pOH scale. pOH of solution scale of the solution can be defined as the negative logarithm of the molar hydrogen hydroxide ion concentration. It is just like the pH. In pH, we said that negative logarithm of the hydrogen ion concentration. Here we says that negative logarithm of the hydroxide ion concentration. Now we are going to calculate the pOH of the pure water. We know that hydroxide ion concentration in water is 1.0 in 10 power minus 7. By putting the value into the formula, pOH is equal to negative log of 1.0 in 10 power minus 7, and when we take the negative log of 1.0 in 10 power minus 7, the answer becomes as pOH is equal to 7. Once again 7. The pH is also 7, the pOH is also 7, and 7 indicates in both cases the neutral solution. So the acidic or basic the acidic nature or the basic nature of the water is neutral, that water doesn't behave as an acid or as a base, but it behaves as a neutral solution. Now the total number of ions present in water are, that is hydrogen ion plus hydroxide ions, and when we add their pH and pOH, it becomes as 14. So guys, remember always the sum of pH and pOH is equal to 14. When we take their sum, the answer becomes as 14. The live example is of water, that the pH of water is 7, the pOH of water is 7, their sum is equals to 14. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.